reason I want to help people living with HIV is because all patients, regardless of what disease state they have, they deserve the best care. And this is why I want to do it with HIV patients, because they have been marginalized for a long time, and I feel like I can do something for them. What makes HIV patients or community special is the fact that they came together and they made sure that no one's left behind, and they're working hard to ensure that every patient with HIV gets the treatment and the attention they deserve. Well, what drew me to Thera are two things. First, a small sized company. So the company feel was very important, being part of a small family. And the next thing was the disease states that we work in. I'm very passionate about HIV and HIV patient population, and these are the two big reasons why I joined Thera.